List of do's and don'ts. Always use a foot pedal so your machine can work properly for a longer time. Do ensure the needle is not in the down position when changing patterns to prevent jamming or bending. Do rotate the handle to lower the needle into the fabric before starting to sew. While changing patterns, ensure the needle is in the up position. Because of the different pattern, needle changes its position and it can bend or break and machine will not function properly. Do use the reverse pattern only for the specified patterns. 1 to 4 and 7 to 8. Don't use the reverse button for any other patterns to avoid damaging the machine. Don't operate the machine without fabric. Don't forget to check the needle's straightness before operating the machine. If it's bent, replace it. Don't operate the machine without fabric after threading is done. Machine may not work properly. Always check your needle if it is straight. If it is not, then replace your needle. And this machine does not require oiling.